I'm going to show you how to make a middle class salary on top of what you're already making just by following this simple paycheck routine. It's not hard to do, it doesn't take a long time to set up, and you don't need a lot of money to start it. And if that sounds too good to be true to you, let me walk you through exactly how I do it and how much I made from each account. Starting off with my milestone of the year, my Roth IRA. I just got paid, and so I put $700 into this account, and it was spread across these stocks and ETFs that you see here on the screen right now: Apple, Microsoft, VOO, and VTI. Apple and Microsoft are 30% each, and then VOO and VTI are 20% each. And this Apple, Microsoft, VOO, VTI portfolio is actually not my idea. I got this from a much smarter investor who's been in the game a lot longer than me, and I thought his philosophy was so brilliant that I just decided to go ahead and put a portion of my net worth into that exact portfolio. And the $700 that I just put in my Roth IRA weren't just any $700. They were the $700 that helped me max out my Roth IRA for the second time. And that's why that's a milestone, and I'm extremely proud of that. And as we can see here, my account right now is worth $33,720.25, and it is up year to date $11,412.12. What that means is year to date my account has grown $4,214.42 by itself. And if you're hearing these numbers and seeing these numbers on the screen, saying to yourself, man, these are big numbers, this is a lot more money than I thought it was going to take to do this, I want you to understand something. I didn't start off this way. Let me show you something on the screen real quick. As you can see, this year and last year, these were the only 2 years I've been able to actually max out my Roth IRA and put the full $7,000 in it. Prior to that, it was $2,000, $1,900. And 1 year I didn't even invest in it at all, and that was the year of 2022. So I haven't always had the amount of money that I wanted to put into this account, and I haven't always taken this account that seriously. But this just goes to show what is possible once you really do focus in on one account and put your money into it and focus on maxing it out. Next up, we have my individual brokerage account that I have with Webull. So today I put an additional $325.07 into it. And as we can see right here on the screen, this is how much my total account is worth. And these are the investments that I'm in within my Webull account. So we have Apple, Microsoft, Google, Nvidia, and SMH. And all of them are just doing wonderful. And I want to show you this quick calendar here on the screen. This shows you how much I made or lost every single month. So the first 3 months of the year, I was actually at a loss on this account, but April through October, it was nothing but green, nothing but positive numbers, and a lot of them were in the multiple thousands of dollars. And then November and December is not over yet, but November and December right now are bright red. But if you add up all the green numbers and subtract them from the red numbers, my total profit for the year so far for my Webull account is $10,238. And this is one account that I have not focused on every single month. I've focused on it some months, but I haven't really been intentional about it that much this year, at least not until towards the end of the year. So a lot of this has just grown by itself without me even touching it. And this is how much I earned from this account. We can't talk about a paycheck routine without talking about my 401k. So I'm going to pull up my 401k real quick right here to show you on the screen. And as you can see, it's up there in numbers. My 401k is currently worth $124,433.90. And just at the beginning of this year, back in January, it was $92,840.91. So since the beginning of the year, this account has grown by $31,592.99. And I will say, for most of the year, this has been due to me just contributing 8% of my salary and my employer matching 50% of what I'm putting in. So that makes that account grow a lot faster, plus the growth of the actual investment itself. But I'm here to tell you, in the past 3 months, have stopped contributing to my 401k to focus on my Webull account because it's growing at a way faster rate. I mean, a drastically faster rate than my 401k. And it might sound crazy, but that's what I'm doing. I say that because even without me doing anything, this 401k is still growing drastically because it's already past the 6-figure mark. And so it just continues to grow and compound without me having to do anything. Do I plan on not investing in my 401k forever? No. And honestly, it was just for an experiment. But I have not touched this account too much in the last 3 months, and the amount of money that has went into this account between me and my employer is just a little over $90,000. So this account continues to grow and grow and grow, and I love to see it. Another area I put money in is Bitcoin. I've been investing all year in Bitcoin, at least $100 per month, and I've been moving it from my Coinbase account over into my cold wallet to keep it nice and safe. I haven't seen a huge return, or really any return at all, on Bitcoin quite yet, just because it's kind of in that weird up and down stage. It goes through cycles every few years, and right now it's starting to stabilize and or go down. So as it goes down, I just continue to put money in it, and the idea is within 3-4 years from now, I will see a huge spike in Bitcoin. But it is a long-term play, so I don't have a lot to report on when it comes to Bitcoin right now. So if you add these lovely numbers up, you have $4,214.42 from my Roth IRA that it's grown by. We have $10,200.38 that my Webull account has grown by. You have $31,592.99 that my 401k has grown by. And I actually forgot to mention this last one, but I do have an account in VFIAX within my HSA account. I'll show it to you real quick on the screen, but that has grown by $421.99. So if you add those lovely numbers up, you will see that I have gained $46,429.78 in passive income this year, just from holding and owning stocks and ETFs. And I want to share this with you real quick. This was not due to making crazy bets or holding a lot of speculative, crazy investments. These were holding a lot of investments that you've heard about, that you know about, that you are very familiar with right now. Apple, Microsoft, Google, things like that. You've probably heard of the S&P 500. I'm in all of those things that you already know about. So this was not rocket science. This was not hard to put together. It just took years of doing it little by little, until I got raises at work, until I got bonuses at work, and was able to put myself in a position to put more money into the things that I think will help me grow in the future. In addition to investing in my own business, which then earns income, which then I can reinvest within either myself, the business, or in my stock investments that I just showed you. And you probably saw how much my Webull account is worth now, but I started it with less than $200 in 2020. And for my 401k, I didn't have that account until 2019. I did have to learn some lessons. I did have to figure out what exactly I was doing, when to invest into what stock, into what ETF, at what price. I had to learn all that stuff, but once you learn it and really get it down, it becomes as easy as get paid, invest, and let it grow in the background as you go throughout life, and as you grow as a person, and as you grow within your career, and as you grow within your relationships and things like that. This money is going to continue to grow for you in the background, just like it did for me. If you're a beginner, the easiest way to start, first of all, don't be like me with the 401k experiment. Invest in your 401k up to where your employer matches you, and just keep doing it over and over and over again. And this is money that you won't miss, because it gets taken off of your paycheck before it even gets taxed. So you don't even miss that money to begin with. And when you can, start investing into your Roth IRA. Those are the first two that I think anybody should invest in. And then once you get a little more wiggle room, you make a little more money, and you start to feel more comfortable as an investor, then you can open up your individual brokerage account. If your company does offer an HSA, look into how you can invest inside of that HSA and see what investment options are in it. You're going to see a lot of things on your HSA account that look like the whole alphabet. It's up to you to start learning what those are. I chose VFIAX because I've known about VFIAX since 2017, and I've always known that that's Vanguard's S&P 500 index fund. And out of everything I saw on that list that my company offers, that was the one that I knew I wanted to tie my money to for the long term. And that was the one I knew would give me a great return right off the bat, as it has. And I've only had it for a few months. And just to be very clear, before anybody tries to get smart in the comments, yes, this video is titled Passive Income. No, this is not paying me paychecks on paychecks that add up to $46,000+ But what I'm saying is, if I did take all of that profit and cash it out right now, I would have an additional $46,000. Let me look at the screen real quick. $46,429.78 in my pocket, and it would not affect the principal or the initial amount that I had in my investments, because this is pure profit. I choose not to touch my investments and let it continuously grow and grow and grow, because this year is $46,000. Next year it might be $80,000. We never know, because compounding is going to continue to happen with my accounts, and I'm going to continue to put money in my accounts as my business grows, as my salary grows within my career, and as I continue to grow on YouTube. Best believe you're going to see more money go into these accounts. And if you want to see how far I've come, check out my Paycheck routine series right here. You will be surprised at how quickly money can grow. You can check it out right here.